Particularly in China, BYD is thought to be one of Tesla's biggest EV competitors. In fact, the most recent investors firmly think that China's BYD is quickly overtaking Tesla, the global leader in the selling of electric vehicles. Recent reports, however, suggest that experts may be predicting a brighter future for Tesla. Undoubtedly, Tesla is still in its infancy and may be producing fewer cars than BYD. But what will happen if big investors begin to sell their BYD stock? In order to get more Tesla stock, recently, Berkshire Hathaway sold about 6 million shares of BYD, a Chinese electric vehicle company, for about $145.38 million. According to reports, the sale reduced Berkshire's stake in BYD stock from 17.15% to about 16.60%. One of the greatest and most well-known financial backers in history, Warren Buffett, has previously sold shares of BYD through his company. A portion of the organization's capital was previously invested in the EV company. According to a Hong Kong Stock Exchange filing, Berkshire sold less than 1% of its BYD holding, leaving the business with 219 million shares as of September, or around 20% of the total number of outstanding shares. With intentions to invest in Tesla, Berkshire reportedly sold out approximately $600 million from BYD stock in less than 2 months, taking home a roughly 35% profit on the Chinese business. Warren Buffett, the president of Berkshire Hathaway, had spoken favorably about Tesla in a 2020 discussion with Yahoo Finance. Although the company had $6.2 billion worth of BYD stock and about $2.2 billion worth of General Motors Company stock at the time, Berkshire had never made an investment in Tesla. The stock financial backer is now selling some of his BYD shares, though, and it appears that he is doing so because Tesla stock has been trading at a favorable price lately. Long-term Tesla financial backers may now more than ever see a lucrative investment opportunity in a fulfilling company. For instance, is it possible that the stock investor believes there is a significant opportunity to purchase Tesla? Let's sort things out, but before we do, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoy this type of content. This will help you remain up to date on all things Tesla. Twitter user Christopher Brinson claims that Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett may be buying Tesla stock for Berkshire Hathaway for a number of reasons. The tweet also mentioned a buildup of short positions, although it's possible that $1 billion is already taking place in the background. Charlie Munger, like Warren Buffett, has expressed positive sentiments about Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk, which is unexpected considering his prior misgivings about the business. Charlie Munger, the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, recently hailed Musk's electric vehicle firm, Tesla, in February of last year, calling it an incredible accomplishment. In the American auto sector, Munger reiterated Tesla's dominant position in the EV market by saying he is shocked by the company's performance. Munger asserts that Tesla has actually advanced society and that its president, Elon Musk, has taken a number of genuinely positive actions. There hasn't been a successful new car manufacturer in a long time, he noted. And he said Tesla is doing a small miracle for the auto industry. Munger and Warren Buffett enjoy a good deal. They would love to purchase Tesla at far lower pricing because they will pay a reasonable price for a successful corporation. Some still view it as a fantastic opportunity to stockpile Tesla shares, even if the majority of people believe the company is overpriced at these levels. When examining their portfolios, these investing experts also enjoy it when a company's stock deviates from its core business principles, since it presents a lucrative opportunity that they may seize, as they have done numerous times in the past. Tesla's stock price is not reacting appropriately and is currently trading below forecasts, even if its earnings per share EPS is steadily increasing. For the fiscal year that concluded on September 30, 2022, Tesla's earnings per share EPS increased 213.6% to 3.24 at the time of this recording. The stock price is still having difficulty rising above 200. The company's impending semi-truck is another reason Buffett might be considering investing in Tesla. The transportation business McLane is owned by Berkshire, which also plans to purchase Pilot Flying J in 2023 in the United States and Canada. This is a chain of truck stops. Therefore, if the Tesla Semi is successful, the carmaker may have a lot of help connecting McLane with mega charging and service facilities. As early as December, Tesla is getting ready to launch its semi-truck. The car manufacturer has begun inviting people to their semi-delivered event after much anticipation. This ceremony is now scheduled for December 1st this year at Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada. By 2024, Tesla hopes to have produced 50,000 semi-vehicles, and with additional production in the upcoming years, in hopes to rank among the biggest truck manufacturers in the United States. Musk recently started focus more of his attention on Tesla. Musk's use of Twitter has drawn criticism from a number of observers who believe the president may now be spending too much time on the social media site to make a substantial profit. Most new businesses need a lot of time and effort to get up and running. In a recent discussion with Twitter staff, Musk stated that the company must make more money than it spends, since failure to do so will probably result in severe cash flow problems and insolvency. Thankfully, Musk might be trying to find someone else to take over Twitter's administration duties. The business tycoon had said that when Twitter is moving in the right path, it is conceivable to turn over administration of the platform to someone else. It's also possible that Musk may choose to resign from his position as president of Tesla. A board member of Tesla claims that Musk has recently hinted at the possibility of someone taking over as CEO of Tesla. According to reports, he has found a possible replacement who might lead Tesla's price strategy. Given that the stock financial backer values pricing power, this may be one of the reasons Buffett would probably invest in the automaker. Throughout 2021 and 2022, Tesla was able to increase prices in the US with no impact on demand. In a similar vein, it has the financial capacity to both raise and decrease the prices of its automobiles as needed. When it comes to pricing power and profitability, Tesla dominates the EV market. In several of its markets, the automakers' cars are doing well. Tesla models were California's best-selling new cars as of August, with 42,320 registrations through June. The Model Y was the top-selling vehicle in California. The Tesla Model 3 sedan came in second with about 38,993 sold. These two Teslas continued the momentum for electric vehicles in the state by outperforming competitors in every category, including the most well-liked pickup trucks. California resident Charlie Munger claimed that you would observe that Tesla cars and charging facilities are widely distributed around the state, and that the EV manufacturer is outperforming all other local automakers. His interest in Tesla and its stock may be strengthened by this. Twitter users speculate that Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett may be making the majority of their acquisitions covertly prior to the 13F filing in mid-February. In essence, a 13F is a snapshot that informs investors of the purchases, sales, and holdings made by Wall Street's brightest minds during the most recent quarter. Berkshire Hathaway is required to file a quarterly 13F as its investment portfolio just exceeded $313 billion. To find out how the renowned investor is allocating his capital in the stock market, investors monitor Berkshire Hathaway's 13F filings. Shares of that firm may surge if Warren Buffett purchases more stock in it, which would be advantageous for Tesla if he does so. Buffett may have sold his BYD shares to purchase Tesla, but it's crucial to remember that the stock supporter has previously expressed his disinterest in the automaker in disparaging remarks about Tesla. As a result, he might not be selling due of Tesla. However, considering how long ago this remark was made, it's plausible that Warren Buffett has just become more interested in Tesla. Given the falling stock price, some investors believe it may be dangerous to purchase Tesla shares. At this time, the bears are just interested in Twitter and Musk selling additional shares. They don't care about the automobile company's underlying fundamentals. Given that Musk's Tesla stock transactions are unrelated to the company's inherent worth, this may be a mistaken assumption. However, concentrating on Tesla's fundamentals could be a good way to predict how the company will perform in the future. Is Warren Buffett now more optimistic about Tesla? In your opinion, tell us below. And don't forget to include how much you think Tesla is worth. Feel free to click on the next video that appears on your screen to find out more about what Tesla has been up to in recent days. I'll see you there.